What's up, YouTube? This your boy Hurricane underscore 6.4. I got my oil change yesterday at 3,800 miles. You know, that was my first oil change. I didn't do the 500-mile break-in oil change because it was my personal preference. But I got my first oil change yesterday at 3,800 miles. The max you can go to is like 6,000, but I didn't want to push it that far with the first oil. So I got an oil catch can from Billet, and this would be my, basically 4,000 mile. Well, no, I lied. I got it put on about 800 miles ago. About 3,000 miles is when I got it. So we're gonna check it out. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead on and show y'all how it look. Make sure y'all subscribe if you're new. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna go ahead on and screw this bad boy off. This thing hot. Oh, it's hot. Yo, what about oil just dump all over me, bro? This not cooling, so it's not like the oil gonna splash all over me. But it do feel a little heavy. Feel like I got a lot of oil in it. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all new. And let me know if y'all got a catch can, or if you don't got one. You thinking about getting one. You might think about getting one after this video. Still unscrewing, y'all. Bear with me. Make sure y'all subscribe. Ooh, that's nasty, yo. Basically, I got it around. Basically say 1,000 mile. My 1,000-mile experience with it, and I actually changed it before. Y'all see that? And it's hot too. Look at that, y'all. With that oil black too, y'all. Y'all see that? At 392 him at brown oil too. That thing's hot. So I got a water bottle, y'all. Y'all want to properly dispose this. So y'all hang on while I pour this stuff inside this catch can. The way y'all can see, I took the oil out of the catch can and I poured it inside of this water bottle. And this is how it looks, guys. Ugh, man, that look nasty, y'all. And it's warm too, cause you know I was driving it earlier. This yeah, definitely like it coming handy to me. It might not look much, but for a motor, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? I plan on keeping this car. I don't plan on trading it in or nothing. Like I seen a guy in a Challenger Hellcat Scat Pack wide body pass by me. He was like, "Yo, I like your car, man. I like the color. That's a slim Scat, but they look good." You know, so I'm definitely gonna put the 275 fronts and 305s in the rear. Definitely gonna look better, man. It's gonna be that type of slim Scat you ain't never seen before. You feel me? But yeah. But what y'all think, man? Let's look at it. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Don't look too pretty, don't it? Yeah. It's from Billet, by the way, y'all. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. Thank y'all for watching, though. Y'all see what it does. It has its purpose. As you can see right here, the stock tool just went from here straight here. It don't even have to just filters right back in, you know. So it really doesn't do what the, catch can does. From my understanding of it, Yeah, but man, that braided hose look good. I paid like $150 for it. It's totally worth it in my opinion when it comes to the health of the engine. Cause this motor here costs a lot of money. $5,000 engine. You know, it's a big ass engine. 6.4 liter. Yeah. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. I need to clean my motor. It's dirty. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank y'all again for watching. Y'all got any questions? Comment. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all again how it look. Yep, this came out of the catch can, y'all. But alright. Hit y'all. It's another thing. Make sure you put your catch can back on correctly. Or if you don't, you can have oil spilling there. Well, so just make sure that you have it lined up correctly. And you won't really have a messy mess all over your alternator at the bottom. So you want to line it up. Then you want to start, you know, twisting it. Hold it from the bottom. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Sometimes it can be the opposite, but y'all see. And make sure you be careful not to scratch your catch can. You want to scratch all that nice powder coat off that you paid for, right? I want to make sure it's extra tight, but not too tight to where you strip the, you know what I'm saying. Oh, it's tight. That ain't coming off. But yeah, I installed it pretty good. Y'all want to see my install video? I know they got a lot of other people's. But yeah, I'll go ahead on and give it a watch, man. This thing here was beating my behind. I was installing it, but that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, though. You know what I'm saying? Showed y'all how this stuff look, man. Catch can. Great investment for the car. That's the black, yo. Ugh. But thank y'all for watching. Really appreciate y'all. All right.